Hi everyone, this is our weekly blog, and one question that came up was what to do with difficult patients. And I don't have a pat answer for that because usually I'm pretty good, but every now and then I blow it myself because sometimes people are just so outrageous you can't. I mean, you just can't let them get away with stuff. But I'll try to answer it the best I can because, of course, we have a lot of experience. Generally, what I do is this, and I did this when I ran an oil business, because in the oil business, I was doing anywhere from $10 to $25 million worth of business a day. These are negotiated oil trades between buyers and sellers. I was a broker. So we did on the average of about $15 million worth of deals every day. Now, there's a lot of money involved, so the buyer and the seller, there's a lot of tension. Some of these deals could be, $5-6 million deals. They're done very, very quickly, and you have to be very accurate, and you have to make sure that both the buyer and the seller are happy with the transaction. So I kind of got good at sort of sorting out problems. And so when it comes to patients, this is the rule that I use, and I used it in the oil business, and it served me well. I immediately analyze what happened, and I figure out where the problem is very quickly. Who screwed up? Was it us, or was it the patient? Are we wrong, or is the patient just being completely outrageous? If I see that we screwed up, and usually we did, that's why the patient's upset, I do a complete mea culpa. I just say, they come in, they say what's the matter, what's the matter, and they tell you the whole story, and then you have to let them get it out. And then I look them in the eye, and I'll say, yeah, I've looked at this whole situation, and we completely screwed up, totally. It's our fault. And that completely, 90% of the time, totally disarms them. And they just relax. Because they're expecting you to fight back, or they're expecting you to make excuses. And if it's our fault, I'll just say this is completely our fault. We totally screwed up. And I'll say, I'm very, very sorry about this. And I said, we can do two things. If you're really upset, and you're so upset with us that you've lost confidence in us, which I can understand,